Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this shiatsu massager that this band sent to me for the video that I think it's fantastic. Not only because of the feature it has, for example, it comes with a heating pad, it also comes with vibration, it comes with different modes, but also because you can use it for your feet, and also you can use it for your legs if you want, like for your calves and things like that. So I think that makes it to be super versatile and really cool. It comes with everything you need. Instruction manuals right here with a QR code, which by the way, I need to tell you that this is a smart massager. Okay, so meaning that you can control it with an app if you need. But the only thing that I want to mention is that I don't have a 2.4 gigahertz network in my house. And you need that for the app. I was trying to make it work and I realized that it needed a 2.4 gigahertz, which is super common, but I built my own mesh system and I didn't include a 2.4 gigahertz, which is kind of like the most common one for all smart devices, but I adapted mine to all for the 5.0 gigahertz. But it comes with an app which is super intuitive to use. I read the manual instructions and also watched some videos, and it's super easy. So this is a smart one. Remember, 2.4 gigahertz. Let's take a closer look. So what is the thing that I like the most about this one? Number one, how easy it is to use, but also let me show you something super cool. This is how you're gonna put your feet in here. Already feels really cool, but also let me show you that also comes with legs right here. So you're gonna be able to put it if you want to kind of like relax a little bit more. So you can put it kind of like in an angle. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna put it in an angle right here in case that you want to kind of like relax a little bit and chill with the back seat of your chair. So number one, I do like how comfortable it is. I also like the fact that you can actually remove these covers, which comes with a zipper. So you can actually wash it if you want in case that your stinky feet or something like that for a long period of time. You can actually wash them right here with the cover that you can unzip. So let me show you this on a close-up for your feet, and then let me show you for your calves as well. So once you have your feet in position, you're going to just press this button over here, and it's going to start right away. So you can see my feet moving right there with the rollers, which comes with many rollers inside, but also comes with vibration right here, which now it's in one of the modes of vibration, and now it's off. So it comes with two, or you can just put it back just right there, and it comes with those vibration modes as I was telling you before. It also comes with heating right here. I'm gonna turn it off, and I put a little bit more. Just wait for a little bit. And this is already heating. I have to say, I was not expecting that to heat that fast, but it also comes with the rollers right here that you can adapt and change the modes as well. Let me see if you can actually see the rollers in action in a few seconds, but I do want to show you that it also comes with compression right here on the sides, which are going to compress my feet or your calves. When you put your calves in there, you can also change the modes or turn off the rollers as well. Last but not least, it comes with a timer that you can manage in between 5 to 30 minutes. So the timer right here, it's pretty cool to also have a control of how much time you're using this. So I'm pretty sure that you can see the rollers right here in action, which I think it's super cool. And the compression right here on the sides, you can see how it's compressing up to the point that kind of like works on your muscles and that relief that you need. But I do have to say that is one of the best parts if you want to kind of like relax after a day of work or just the gym or working out or something like that. You can just use this and for your calves, and it feels so great. I have to say that the rollers and the vibration pair with the compression on my legs, it feels super nice. It's working perfectly right now, and I have to say that it feels, again, this is so relaxing. I think this is a really good one to have. But also remember that with the app, you can actually control it with your hand. You don't have to come right here with a touch panel. You can use your app with your phone, and I think that's super nice. I like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.